everybody. It is way out of the normal time I typically film. It's 7:53 p.m. I went to work, did all my stuff in the morning. I didn't even shower. I didn't do my cold shower yet. So we got to get the cold shower done today. We're not losing our streak. 26 in, we're going to do 27. 7:53 p.m. Finishing up a cold shower. Just had dinner. Just get it done. All right. Just going to get into the shower because I haven't had a shower yet. And then we'll follow it with cold shower thoughts and then recap the day. Peace. Cold shower, 27, done. That was by far the hardest one. Or not by far, but that was one of the hardest ones. That and then me being sick because it's, what time is it? 8:15 p.m. I'm kind of wrapping up the day, ready to go to bed, but I realized I didn't take a cold shower, so I got to take the cold shower. And then you're taking the cold shower, you're just like, it's like hardship you have to do right before the end of the day, and it sucks. But got it done anyway. So, cold shower thoughts for today. I'll just say just get it done. Get it done. Get it done fast. And just do it. Don't wait, just do it. I mean, there's just a whole bunch of things in life that you say, I could do it tomorrow. Or it's not that urgent, I'll do it. But at the end of the day, just fucking do it. Just do it really bad. Do it right now. You're putting off going for a run, just do it right now. Literally get up and do it right now. Trying to list the product, do it right now. Trying to buy something, do it right now. I mean, anything that you've been putting off, just do it right at this moment. That's how you get shit done. That's how you'll go ahead in life. A lot of other people, everybody else, they're just putting it off. It's not that important. I could do it a little bit later. Do it now. Get it done. You'll thank me later. Peace. That's going to be the end of the video. It's just all over the place a couple days, but finally solved kind of the last of my personal problems. And so now it's just going to be full steam ahead, work mode. Boom, 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 getting it done. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.